Hi everyone, this is Lucy with WTI. So many dog toothpaste out there, but this one's the best. Cy, our Aussie, loves to smell the toothpaste first, and he likes the vanilla mint flavor. If it was up to him, he would eat the whole tube because he loves it so much. Cy has been getting used to this routine since he's only 3, but it is really important to us to have them have good dental care now. And the tubing itself is easy to squeeze out on a toothbrush. Here, Harley, 5 years of good dental hygiene has helped plaque removal, and also in the long run, it's going to help them keep all their teeth when they're really old. So it's really nice that we could do this routine with them. The tube is 2.5 ounce, vanilla mint flavor. It's uniquely designed for dogs. This vanilla mint dog toothpaste will make your dog's breath fresh all day. And that's our point of view.